This video is going to show you how to manage the forms that are on your website. For example, here on the request appointment page, there's a form. People can fill this out and request an appointment with you. Once they fill it out, you'll get an email sent to you. We're going to show you how all this works, how you can manage the form, edit the form, and control where the email goes. First thing you want to do is log into your website. Once you're logged in the black admin bar at the top, click on the name of your website right there. This will take you to the dashboard page. On the dashboard page, you'll notice a menu on the left. We want to find forms right there. We'll go ahead and click on that. Now here it's going to show us a list of the different forms we have. We have a contact us form, a job application form, and a request appointment form. Let's go ahead and take a look at the contact form. If we hover over settings, we'll see that a little menu pops up. Form settings are a bunch of technical things of how the form works. You likely won't need to use that. Confirmation, if someone fills it out, the confirmation is the email, or the message that shows them that says thank you for filling out the form. Notification is the email sent to you as the website owner. Now, should you just want to edit the form itself, you just click on the name or click on edit. And of course, to control the settings, you click on one of these. Let's go ahead and edit the form really quick. Once we've clicked on edit, we'll see there's a preview of the form on the left-hand side, and on the right are the tools. So in the little toolbar, if we want to add something else to the page, we see there's standard fields. And if you scroll down a little bit, there's one called advanced fields. We can expand it by clicking on it. Like we could add an address in there maybe. Just drop it wherever you want it to go. See, we've added a full address box. We could add maybe a phone number in there, whatever we want to do. And we'll see as we hover over these items, a little bar shows up. And with that bar, we'll see that there's a little dots right there. That's a handle you can use to drag things around and reorganize them in a different order, like control what order they go in. So it's very easy to move them around. So if there's one you want to get rid of, just hover over it. You could go to the delete box right there to delete it. Or you could duplicate it by clicking on that, or see the settings right there. Let's just go ahead and delete that. And let's say we want to change around this address box a little. Just click on it, and you notice on the right-hand side, this thing appears with all the settings. So we could control what shows up in that box right there. So there's a lot of options. And of course, once we're done, we'll hit save to save the form. We're not going to actually save these changes. Let's go back. I'll show you how to control where what message is shown when someone fills it out. Confirmation is the thank you message. It says default confirmation. Just click on that to edit it. And we'll see right here, it says it's going to take us to a page called the thank you page. Or it could just show you, you could say text. We could just type a message, thank you. I personally recommend using the page redirect because that takes you to a nice looking page already set up. Let's go ahead and take a look at notifications now over here on the side. Notification is the message sent to you as the website owner. See, there's one notification right now. If you want to add a second one, you could click add new and just add it in there. Let's just click on this really quick to edit it and see what's going on. So the name of the notification, that's just for your own purposes. Send to email. This is the email address it'll go to. If you see this little brackets with the word admin email, that means it's going to the default email address on your website, which is set here in company info. You could change this to anything you want. It could be email at yourwebsite.com or whatever you'd like it to be. There's BCC, reply to, a bunch of options. This is the subject line of the email. You could change that to whatever you want. You notice there's this little piece of code here. This puts the name of the form in there. And for same thing here, it says all fields. For example, we could click on these little dots right here and see all the options. These are the fields we have on our form. We could add in some things we wanted to. If it just says all fields, it'll put everything that's on the form into there. And at the bottom, once you're done making your changes, hit update to save changes. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact support. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.